Buoyancy. Have you ever wondered how a hot air balloon flies? Or how a ship doesn't sink? Or how some things are able to float while others don't? Buoyancy is the ability of an object to float. The buoyancy of an object is its ability to float or sink in a liquid, in this case water. To find an object's buoyancy, mass and volume must be known. This relationship is called density, where the funny-looking P is pronounced rho. When a stone is thrown into water, it displaces some of that water. Let's say the stone has a mass of 30 grams. It can then displace up to 30 cubic centimeters of water. This is because density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. If the stone has a volume larger than 30 cubic centimeters, it will float. If it's less, it will sink. We know that a stone doesn't float, but let's say it does. This is due to the buoyant force, which means the pressure on the bottom of the stone is greater than the pressure on top. Buoyant force creates an upward lift on an object, and is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by that object. For example, when you fill a bathtub with water, the water will spill when you step into it. If you collected this water, you will find that the volume of water is equal to the volume of you. This is also called Archimedes' principle, as Archimedes was the guy who discovered it. Archimedes' principle describes the force on the water that the object displaces. The equation is force equals density times gravity times volume.